About this item: high capacity, 13400 mAh/190Wh voltage, 14.8V battery type, polymer Li-ion, providing 2 times lifetime of original battery. Super high capacity V-series battery for Blackmagic Ursa Mini and Epic cameras, compatible with cameras using standard V-mount/V-lock batteries. Compatible with HVRS 270 CPMWX 330 KPMWX 330L, PMW 580 KPMW 580L, PDW 680 PDW 700 PDW 850 PMW TD300 HDW F900 RHDW 680 HDW 800P, PMW F55 PMW F5 etc. Super long lasting charge for each use and more than 500 full recharge cycles over life of the battery. Shorter charging time with 3A output D-tap charger. Unlike other 2A output charger, our 3A charger can reduce the battery charging time. Comes with a wall plug and charger for self-charging, so no extra charger is needed. Power D-tap compatible, independent 5V/2.4A USB output, available to charge smartphone etc. 4-level LED indicator on the side to show remaining power. Durable grade A cell battery ensures maximum lifespan and power. High performance and long-lasting usage. Built-in